Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both features and major talking points of the interior and exterior. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go a bit more in depth of the interior features. This vehicle here is the 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE, and as you can see it's presented in the black sapphire metallic. And alongside that we fit the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And alongside that we've added the 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels, which set against that black sapphire really do finish this car off very nicely. At the front of the vehicle you'll be able to see it is a 2019 plate, so it does also have that facelift that the 4 Series has. So we've got the darkened facelifted front lights along with the tweaked rear LED facelifted lights with a few interior uplifts as well. Down the side of the car you'll be able to see the gloss black air breathers. We've also got the gloss black sidebars on this vehicle along with the YNC Mperformance decals. And I'll quickly go ahead and take a close-up look at these 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels, being all brand new. Of course they are unmarked with brand new tyres, which of course all means they're in great condition as well. Moving on to the interior. For this vehicle, it does come with the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. And of course, being a 2019 plate, it does also match the exterior for being in very nice condition as well. Moving on to the rear, where you get a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench in the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series, along with a centre folding armrest and the very nice M Sport darkened headlining, as you can see there, again all in nice condition. Moving on towards the rear of the vehicle, where we have, as I've mentioned, the newer facelifted rear lights with the high gloss rear boot spoiler along with the more OEM looking rear diffuser. However, it is still one of our YNC Mperformance styled rear diffusers, and to the fact you can see the 2 little centre diffuser blades in the centre, which really do set this car off very nicely. Opening up that tailgate, you'll be able to see just how large the boot space is on the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series. Again, this vehicle does come with the split folding seat option, so you can further extend that already humongous boot space. And you'll already see the nicely presented genuine floor mats that will of course accompany the vehicle. Moving around to the other side of the car, where we can of course again take a close-up look at these very nice alloy wheels that sit so nicely on the GRAN COUPE. And again, we'll move on inside because there is yet more special features to go through on this vehicle. So now I'm sat inside the vehicle nice and comfortably. You'll already be greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. This vehicle comes equipped with both the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to the online search, news and weather functions. Alongside that, BMW have added the Amazon Alexa function. So of course, if you have the Alexa at home, you'll be very familiar with what it can and can't do. It works a little bit differently on the vehicles because it does require you to connect a device to it, i.e. your mobile device, but then it works exactly the same, so you can ask it all of the same questions. A good example I like to use is how is the weather for a destination you may be travelling to, and all you need to do to access it is simply press the voice command button, which is situated on the very nice multifunction M Sport steering wheel. You'll also notice we've got the flapper paddles for that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox that the vehicle also has. Starting the vehicle up, we'll run through a couple of the other features and functions of that widescreen. And as you can see there is the navigation function, which uses up-to-date real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Other multimedia inputs on the car include DAB, USB, and of course Bluetooth audio and of course Bluetooth telephone. At the main menu, you'll again be able to see, because of the facelift, they've now segregated everything into nice little menus. If you've had previous BMWs, the menu system was a little bit different to this one. And going into my vehicle, we'll be able to see that the vehicle is not due a service for 14,000 miles. This vehicle has only covered just over 14,000 miles. So again, another nice low mileage example here at Your Next Car. Of course, you get dual climate control, and this is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. So in summary, we've got an exceptionally clean and tidy 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE with some very tasteful options on the exterior in regards to our, of course, full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside having that very welcomed facelift. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. If you do want to get in touch, please do feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course the link to our website to check the car out in further detail in the description. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we do hope to see you very, very soon. If you are wanting to keep up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, the best way to do that is remember to click the subscribe button, and that way you'll see all of our latest and newest stock posted here directly to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.